Did you ever hear of maple water? I just found out about this and it's amazing. So if you don't want to go through all the time of boiling down sap to make syrup, I'm going to show you how to utilize the sap right out of the tree. All I need to do is find a tree.
Game on.
Man, there's got to be a maple tree around here somewhere. Whew, finally, after hours of searching, I find the perfect tree to tap. And for this foraging, I'd have to go beyond the backyard. Let me show you what you're going to need. Now, to tap a tree, you'll need three major things. You need a tap, something to collect it, and something to tap the tree with and actually get into it. So this is the tap. My Uncle Ed told us about these. You need a jar to collect the sap, and what I like to do is I run it through a coffee filter with a rubber band. That way bugs or dirt can't get in it. You can actually drink it right out of the tree. And with this tap, you need around a 1/4 inch drill and drill bit to get inside the tree. You want to angle this up so the sap will actually come down. Make sure you clean out the hole too, because that's important. Nature's sports drink, maple water. Game on!